Acupressure, ancient healing at your fingertips. For thousands of years, traditional Chinese medicine has offered a variety of ways to restore balance and promote health. Among its most accessible and non-invasive techniques is acupressure, a therapy that applies physical pressure to specific points on the body to relieve pain, reduce stress, and support overall wellness. So what is acupressure? Acupressure is a healing practice rooted in the same principles as acupuncture. It's based on the idea that life energy, known as qi, pronounced qi, flows through the body along pathways called meridians. When this energy is blocked or unbalanced, it can lead to illness or discomfort. By stimulating certain acupoints, practitioners aim to restore the flow of qi and encourage the body's natural healing processes. Unlike acupuncture, which involves needles, acupressure relies on gentle but firm touch, using fingers, palms, elbows, or even special tools to apply pressure to these strategic points. So what are acupressure's common uses and benefits? Acupressure is often used as a complementary therapy to ease symptoms of various conditions. Some of the most common benefits include pain relief. Acupressure can help reduce chronic pain, especially in the neck, back, and joints. Stress and anxiety reduction. Pressing certain points can induce a calming effect, helping with relaxation and mood. Digestive support. Some acupoints are believed to aid in digestion and relieve nausea or bloating. Improved sleep. Regular stimulation of calming points may enhance sleep quality. Headache relief. Points like Li4, between the thumb and index finger, are often used to alleviate tension headaches or migraines. Here are a few commonly used acupoints you can try stimulating at home. Li4, Hegu. Located in the web between your thumb and index finger, this point is used for pain relief, especially headaches and facial tension. PC6, Neiguan, found on the inner forearm, about 3 finger widths below the wrist crease. It's associated with relieving nausea, motion sickness, and anxiety. ST36, Zhu Sanli, located about 4 finger widths below the kneecap and 1 finger width outside the shin bone. It's said to support digestion and boost energy. Yintang. This point sits between the eyebrows and is known as the third eye. It's used to calm the mind and ease stress or insomnia. How to practice acupressure at home. You don't need to be a professional to practice basic acupressure. Here's how you can do it safely at home. 1. Find the point. Use charts or apps to locate the right acupoint. 2. Apply pressure. Use your thumb or forefinger to press firmly but gently. 3. Hold and breathe. Maintain pressure for 1 to 3 minutes while breathing deeply and slowly. 4. Repeat if needed. You can stimulate a point several times a day, depending on your needs. Important safety and considerations. While acupressure is generally safe for most people, there are a few caveats. Avoid applying pressure to open wounds, bruises, or inflamed skin. Pregnant individuals should consult a professional, as certain points may stimulate uterine contractions. Always speak with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment, especially if you have a chronic condition. And final thoughts. Acupressure offers a gentle, drug-free way to enhance wellness and manage everyday ailments. Whether used on its own or as part of a broader health plan, this time-tested technique continues to bridge the ancient and modern worlds of healing, literally at your fingertips. To learn about bodywork online, visit www.theacademy.Global to take our accredited diploma courses from just $10.99 USD.